Hello students, welcome to ACE Engineering Academy and myself Ramesh Masuna. In this video, I am going to discuss the GATE 2021 compiler design questions. From compiler design, totally there are 4 questions. In that 4, 3 questions are of 2 marks and 1 question is of 1 mark. I am going to discuss all these 4 questions in a detailed way. Coming to the first question, this question is based on LR of 0 items. Consider the following augmented grammar. Grammar is augmented with the production S dash tends to S with hash at the rate less than greater than A, B, C as a set of terminals, and these are the grammar productions. Let I naught is the closure of S dash tends to dot S. S dash tends to dot S, it means we need to derive some terminals starting with S productions. When you have to find the closure, we need to add those set of productions that are with S. With S, we do have these productions. We need to add all these productions in the same closure set with dot at the beginning, that is S tends to dot S hash CS, S tends to dot SS, S tends to dot S at the rate, S tends to dot lesser, S closer, S tends to A, S tends to B, S tends to C with dot at the beginning. This is what we call closure of S dash tends to dot S. I am calling this is I naught. The number of items in the set go to of I naught comma lesser is. First we will find go to of I naught comma lesser. It means we need to make a transition from state I naught to some state I1 on input lesser. If you move dot one position to the right on input lesser, here you see only one possibility, that is S tends to lesser dot S closure. That is one item. But here you observe dot S means we need to add all the S productions in the same closure set. We do have 7 S productions, that is dot S hash CS, S tends to dot SS, S tends to dot S at the rate, S tends to dot lesser S closure, S tends to dot A, S tends to dot B and S tends to dot C. This is one closure set. This closure set I am calling item 1, state 1. Now, go to of I naught comma lesser leads to state I1. Now, we need to find go to of I1 comma lesser again. So, it means we need to find a transition from I1 with respect to input lesser. With input lesser, this is the only one item possible. That is S tends to open dot S closure. Open dot S close. It means S tends to, here open I am calling lesser dot S closure, because dot S means again you need to write all S productions. If you write all S productions, you are going to get the same item 1. It means go to of item 1 on input lesser, it is leading to the same I1. It is leading to the same I1. So, what is a go to of? Go to of I naught comma lesser is I1 itself. Now, the question is the number of items. How many items in that I1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, answer for this question is 8. 8 items in the go to of I naught comma lesser. Here is the second question. In the context of compilers, which of the following is or not an intermediate representation of this source program? There are three major categories of intermediate representation called structural intermediate representation, linear intermediate representation, and hybrid intermediate representations. In the structural intermediate representation, the abstract syntax tree and directed acyclic graphs are the examples of structural intermediate representation. In the linear intermediate representation, 3-address code will come. Means 3-address code is an example of linear intermediate representation. And the third type is hybrid intermediate representation. Control flow graphs are the examples of hybrid intermediate representations. Here in the option, you can see abstract syntax tree, which comes under structural intermediate representation. Option A is incorrect, because question is about not an intermediate representation. 3-address code is an example of linear intermediate representation. So option B is wrong. Control flow graphs is an example of hybrid intermediate representation. So option C is also wrong. And symbol table is called a data structure which is used to store information about the identifiers. So symbol table is not the intermediate representation. So answer for this question is option D. Because question is not an intermediate representation, symbol table is a data structure, not an intermediate representation. So answer for this question is option D. Coming to the next question. For a statement S in a program in the context of liveness analysis, the following sets are defined. Use of S, the set of variables used in S. What does it mean? In a block, suppose I do have a statement A equal to B. Then I can call there is a use of B and there is a definition of A. A is defined, B is used. Okay. Now, what is use of S? The set of variables used in S. In of S says the set of variables that are live at the entry of some block. Out of S, the set of variables that are live at the exit of S. Consider a basic block that consists of two statements, S1 followed by S2. S1 followed by S2. Okay. Which of the following statements is correct? The options are to find the out of S1. It is a direct answer based on the liveness analysis of basic blocks. Out of S1, which is equals to union of S belongs to all successors. Union of in of S. What is S here? S is all the successors. Now, out of S1, S2 is a successor of S1. So, we can call out of S1 equals to in of S2. Why? Because here in the question it is clearly given S2 is the successor of S1. So, answer for this question is option B, directly based on the algorithm.